Hello, my name's Shane Abel from St Mary's Catholic College at Gateshead in Newcastle, New South Wales. Welcome to our school's workshop area. It's been nice and quiet here all morning, but the boys have decided they're going to start drilling outside, so hopefully we're not too affected. I'm going to share a little tip that I use within Excel. I've used this as a standalone activity in the past, but also I've used it in a number of my OneNote breakout sessions. You'll see a couple of links up on the screen now. One is to the Excel document that I'm going to be working in, and the other is a Word link that has a number of instructions for you to follow. Just be careful of these shortcuts. There is an underscore after that word PixelArt if you're using them. If we go over to my Excel spreadsheet, I've already populated a number of the sections in here. So if I start putting the correct answers in here, we see that an image starts to reveal itself. We get down to this cell here, B4, and I haven't populated this as yet. So the first thing I'm going to do is to select the pixels that I want to appear next if that answer is correct. And let's try that again. There we go. So over to home, and we know the answer 6 plus 9 in cell B4 is going to be 15. So we go to home, conditional formatting. What we want to do is to create a new rule. We go down to here, use a formula to determine which cells to format. We pop our rule in here as per these guidelines down here. So if cell B4 is equal to 15, if the answer is correct, we're going to reveal the image. So what we want it to do is to go into the Fill tab. We're going to select the color orange and click OK and OK. So back over here now, if we put the wrong answer in, let's put the answer 20 just to show that it doesn't reveal. Delete that and pop our correct answer in, which is 15. We can see that word, a little bit of a glitch there. I'm not sure what's happened there, but we can see that that image has appeared. Now there's a number of ways you can use that. The second one that I'm going to do is where we actually pop an image in and hide that image with what I've done here with some black shading. So again, I've already put the answers in here. How many stars are there on the Australian flag? There are 6. And I've set this up so that it is in text, and you can see part of that image has been revealed. To take you through this very quickly, these are the answers to the rest of the questions. So when I pop them in, let's try copying them again. And when we pop those in, we can see that entire image has been revealed. And as my class said, it's that band Inks, but we all know it's in excess. The thing we need to be careful of, when we're using numbers, we don't need inverted commas, but when we are using letters, we need to pop our correct answer in there in inverted commas. So the formula for this is a little bit different. How to create those pixel arts, there's 2 links in the Word document that show you 2 different ways that can be done, and I'm sure you can have fun using that in your classroom. Thank you.